Hello Photoshop students, today we're going to make a logo for a car company. We already have a picture of the car. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to create a new layer and we're going to start to draw a form. But first we need to decide what is the middle, and therefore we go to view. We're going to create a new guide and we're going to put it on 50% horizontal and 50% vertical. So now we see nicely where is the middle. We're going to start with drawing a circle and we're going to use elliptical marquee tool. We hold the middle, we hold the Alt button in the middle and we click on the mouse with the left button. And we're going to make a form from 750 on 750. It doesn't matter if you cannot really have it like that. We will adjust it later. We'll go to edit, stroke, and here we're going to choose 25 pixels. Color will be black, location will be inside. Now we go to the FX icon and we click on stroke. And here we're going to choose 20, position outside, color will be white. We're going to create a new layer and we're going to place it below the first layer. And we're going to draw a rectangle. We're going to use rectangle marquee tool. Again, we go to the middle, we click on Alt and left mouse key. And we try to create a circle where the black starts. Here. This we're going to fill with black. And we can do this by clicking Alt Delete. Now we're going to draw another circle and we're going to draw it until the middle of the first white circle. Click on Alt, left mouse key in the middle, and we draw a circle until we are in this white area. And now we're just going to delete. So now we have our basic form. We're going to write a little text below it. We can enlarge it by clicking Control and then you see those dots, those arrows, and we can make it bigger. And we can enlarge it yet a little bit. When clicking on the move tool and going from left to right, we will see where is the middle. Now it's nice in the middle. Now we're going to place our car inside. For that, we head back to our car. Now we're going to remove the background of the car and we're going to use a quick selection tool for that. We go around the car. It doesn't have to be extremely perfect because anyway it's going to be black and white, so we're not going to see much detail, but we will anyway do our best. Make sure here with tires that you have everything. If we select it too much, we can click on Alt and we can remove the parts that are too much. Now we click on Ctrl J and we'll copy that to another layer. Here it cut a little bit too much, and here also. We can correct this by zooming in and using the eraser tool. But again, it doesn't have to be really perfect because we're not going to see all of that detail. And now we're going to drag that image to our logo. We're going to use the move tool and we're going to move it to here. By clicking on Ctrl T, we can adjust the size. We can also turn it, and we'll place it nicely inside the logo. Now we're going to make it black and white. So we head over to Image, Threshold, Adjustments, Threshold, and here we choose something that looks good enough for our logo. Now we're going to place everything a little bit up so we can put yet another rectangle around it. We're going to select all the layers except the backgrounds, and we're going to use the move tool to move everything up. Now we're going to create another layer. We're going to place it just above background, and we're going to open our rectangular marquee tool, and we're going to make something like this. We'll go to Edit, Stroke, 25 pixels, black inside. And we have our logo